Hi everyone, myself Swathi. I am studying in STJ Polytechnical College in Harapanahalli. Today my topic is various section of a control panel. In that various sections of a control panel, there are incoming section, outgoing section and busbar section. The first one is incoming section of a control panel. Busbar section. The main bus bar and the auxiliary bus bar. The bus bar arrangement used for a bus coupler which connects the isolator switch and circuit breakers to a bus bar. The bus bar on a switch, the load is transferred, kept the close, and it is used for a collecting electrical power from the incoming fielders. They distribute the power of the outgoing fielders, and the faulty section of a bus bar is easily disconnected from the circuit. And the second one is MCCB. MCCB stands for a molded case circuit breaker. It is another type of electrical protection device which is used when a load current exceeds the limit of a miniature circuit breaker. The MCCB provides the protection against overload short circuit faults, and it is also used for switching the electrical circuits. And the third one is incoming terminals. Second one is display and metering section. In that, the power on and off indicators. If to indicate whether it is a breaker is on or off, to indicate whether circuit is energized to or not, or power available in a panel, or touch to a panel or circuit, motor or breaker is tripped. It indicates the on and off. The second one is meter, voltmeter and ammeter. A voltmeter is connected with parallel